We all love what our lands give to us: clean water and air, a space to roam, a place to hunt and fish, and a home for our future generations. To protect our lands that give us so much, we must listen to what it needs. Prescribed fire is a practice that dates back to those who inhabited our lands long before us. It was used to protect against wildfire and create a healthier, hardier ecosystem. That is why prescribed fire has stood the test of time and is still used throughout the state. From the deep East Texas forests to the rolling plains of the Panhandle, prescribed fire is being used as nature's reset button. It restores our native ecosystems and strengthens our wildfire-prone communities to become more resilient in the face of Mother Nature. Using wise fire today, Texans are protecting the places, traditions, and natural treasures we call home. Learn more about prescribed fire